Well, y'all, changed my serpatine belt and did the oil change, and no more noises. So it tells you that when you have a bad belt and that. And also found out there was a problem whenever they did the coolant line that goes to the heater port inside the truck. They had the damn thing all the way next towards, literally right next to the tensioner. So it kept on hitting, and that's what screwed up the belt. So yeah, I mean, it's purring like a kitten now. No issues. I have to still add one extra quart to it, but I mean, just wanted to get her. There's 6 quarts in it, but I need to add almost an extra because it was a little low. But I mean, yeah, she's now just purring. So took a little bit longer because I had to actually take off the tensioner. Learned a few things. It ain't like a Chevy where it's in the middle for the 3/8 to actually pull the tensioner. It's all the way on the side. So I found that one out, but I still had to remove it just so I could move that heater hose clamp. So it'll work. Just gonna take some time. All right, y'all.